Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm explaining how to draw a small structure in Revit architecture, using the tools which I already explained in the last video. If you missed it, you can watch it through the link below mentioned. And subscribe for new updates. Let's start the video. Today we start our small design with an architectural template. On the opening screen, you can see the toolbars which I explained in the last video. And the first thing is, we have to check the levels of the template file. I'm checking it on the south section. You can see there are 2 levels in this template file. This also can be changed as our requirement. Before the level changing, I need to change the units which I'm using. In Project Units we can change the unit. And I change it as meters. And rounding it to 2 decimal places. And now I change this level 2 as 3 meters. Then I add some level as the third level. In 6 meters from the level 1. It can do in Architecture ribbon, under the Level tool. Then we can start our project on the Level 1 floor plan. And I'm selecting the Wall tool in the Architecture toolbar. Then there are few wall types to select. I need a 175 mm thick wall, but there is no wall as my requirement. I'm selecting 4-inch brick wall, and then I customizing it by Edit Type as my requirement. In this, we have to make a duplicate one for customizing purposes. And I'm naming it as 175 mm wall. And change the wall thickness as 175 mm. Then I start to draw the walls. Before starting the drawing, we can select the start level and the end level of the wall. Now we can start the drawing. I'm drawing 5 meters and 10 meters of structure. And now we can see the 3D view of this structure. The 3D view can see like this. It can see the wall heights and wall thicknesses also in 3D view. We can change the dimensions of the drawn structure also when we in a 3D view of the drawing. With a small drag, we can change the lengths of the walls like this. And now I create a floor slab for this structure by Floor tool in Architecture ribbon. With the Floor tool, we can select the Pick Lines option to select the boundary line. Then selecting the outer lines of the walls, we can complete the boundary line. And also I need to use a 100 mm thick floor slab for this. But there is no one for my requirements. So I select the 12 inches slab and customize it as I need. And name it as 100 mm floor slab. And now we can confirm the changes. When we go to the 3D view, we can see the floor clearly like this. Now I place the first floor slab as previously done. In the 3D view, we can see it also like this. And then we can fix some doors for this structure like this. If we need to import a new door family, it can do in the Modify tab like this. I'm selecting this door as an example. And then we can select all sizes which we are required like this. For this time I'm selecting this door family. When we fixing the door we can change its side using the space bar of the keyboard. And then I'm fixing windows for this structure. Like this. And you can see. There is no need of these windows placing work. The appearance is not good. The spacings are different from each other. It can solve with the Align tool in the Annotate tab. When point the cursor closer to the window, it appears a centerline on windows. Then we can select all centerlines one by one. Then it appears the distance of each other. We can do same thing for all windows. And then select the distances and then select the EQ sign. Then automatically distances are changing as same like this. Do it for all windows as previously done. And then we can see the 3D view of the structure like this. Now the ground floor is completed to some extent. And the first floor has to do a lot of works to complete it. And the important thing is, saving this file on computer. To save this go to the File. And Save As. Then select the project. Then select the location which you are going to save. I'm saving this on my desktop. Give the name. The file type cannot be changed. And save it. In this video, we are talking about, how to build a structure on Revit architecture. Next video we are complete this structure with a roof. Inviting you to complete this. And also I hope you understand today lesson. If it helps to improve your knowledge please subscribe to my channel and share this for sharing of knowledge. Thanks for watching.